Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be playing the famous Roblox game called, is it called Brea? Or is it Brea? Whatever, I'll just go with Ecos. We are going to be playing Brea. And also, I'm going to get on right now. Let's go guys. Oh yeah. Go crazy! So my new theme for my YouTube channel is Go Crazy. So guys, we're in Brea. Yes, I know. Ow, my eyes. Okay. I can't do saber. Little bitches. Don't worry. Let's get... Did someone just say Diego? No, don't worry. Wait. It's my iPad glitching. Okay, let's go up this mountain. When are we gonna see the snow? If we snow, then that would be good. Okay, where is the snow? Sure, I'll go to your group. Still looking over though. And yes, this is mobile. I never use computers. Oh, wait, what? Why can't I go? Why is there such a big cliff? I have a feeling I'm going to lag out, like get kicked out. But if that does happen, then I'm gonna put a background on. And also, let's go up here. And guys, we got kicked out. Oh God. This is annoying. But at least I respawned in the same area. Shush! And no. What? Okay. How I'm hurt for some reason. Oh, I just fell down the mountain. I need someone to recover. Somewhere to recover. Hopefully no one attacks. Oh my God, who keeps... What is that? What is that? Let me have a closer look. Nah, it's not working. Doesn't work for me. Get up. Can't go. Manukau? Who said... Is that how I... Is it Hawaiian or something? I don't know. HDK. Okay. IDK. Hi, you alone. Nope. Not happening. Okay. That's the resting? Oh my God. Ow. I want to mark prey. Don't even know how to make my own. No, just started this I never played before. Also, this is a very hard game. No. Hey. When are we? Okay. Let's go down this hill. Hopefully nothing attacks us. I would really hate to see that. Sorry guys, cough today. Taco cat. Does somebody know a taco cat? Oh! Are you gonna kill me? Cause I'm gonna kill you. If I can. Turn around, twirly. Attack. Any damage to her? Him or her? I don't know. Most girls like cats, so her. Tacos, but more boys like tacos. Custom. No, custom's not real. I believe in the Bible. Oh, let's just run down. Hopefully he doesn't chase me. He's gonna get mad at me. He's gonna start chasing. I know it. Man. Okay. Territory of wind. So is it very windy? Bet it is. Bet. Hard to breathe. In Australia, when you have a blocked nose, it's really hard to breathe. Oh my god, what is attacking? Taco cat, go away! Oh my god, stop following. Ah, Taco cat, go away. Taco cat. Wait, there's a chance Taco cat wasn't hurting me because I didn't hurt Taco cat when I tried to attack. Maybe it's something else. Maybe. Hey, I'm typing. Just typing. Who's saying ape? Like, what the signal? I'm gonna start writing 6-7 truce. 6-7 truce. 6-7 truce. Not to kill me. Sorry, guys. 6-7 truce, not to kill me. Hey! Saber-tooth tiger, I'm jumping off. When do I die? I'm waiting. Okay. Perfectly fine. Okay. What? I'm getting hurt again. How's that possible? No. I don't even have to know how to kill my prey because no NPCs are spawning and also no players that are my prey are spawning. What the Sigma? Like, dude, I need my prey. We chose the herbivores. Nah. I would actually rather be carnivore, but there's grass everywhere in here. Wait, is that a beach? No one knew that there was beaches there. Oh my. Okay. Hide in the bushes. Probably no one will find us. Yeah, everyone's gonna find me. Just move to a different spot. Maybe the beach? Hopefully I don't die. Because I would scream if I died. I feel a tingle that I'm gonna die. Oh, what's this? Let's get down. Okay, everybody. I just screamed. So, well, just the end of the video. I just started, so it's okay. Peace out, guys. Go crazy.